We're extremely grateful and blessed to be here. Again, we just tried to prolong the series. We only had Kian back last week in practice, so we just these guys just decided to have more practices together with this lineup. But again, we're up against the number one team, so we're always gonna be battling out with them. But again, grateful and blessed to play one more game.
Thank you to Jason. 9 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, and plus 8 blocks. I'm sure you're happy na kung kayo ngayon. So, ano masasabi mo na you have another chance to make it to the finals?
Unang-una, thankful kami. Siyempre, sabi nga ni Coach, sobrang grateful kami. Nandito kami sa situation na ganito. Blessed kami na nakuha namin yung panalo. And yun nga, goal namin talaga is one game at a time lang and focus on the present, which is yung game kanina. So, after this game, focus kami on the next game, which is on Saturday. And yun, tutuloy lang namin yung ginawa namin today and improve namin yung mga lapses, mistakes na nagawa namin today.
Thank you, Jason. Jacob got 30 points, 4 assists, 2 steals, and 1 rebound. So, how happy are you that you have Kian back to strengthen your backcourt and another game to play?
Feel good. Like to thank God, of course, for everything, for all the opportunities, all the blessings. Thank God. Mace and Kian are back with us. Mace had a couple big shots. Kian played composed, and yeah, like what JC said, we're still focused on the next game, which is the do or die games. We know NU is gonna come out hard. It's up to us to focus on what we're gonna do. But yeah, we're really glad to have these guys back.
Thank you, and lastly to Kian. You had 6 points in 19 minutes of action, 2 assists and 1 rebound. So ano masasabi mo na yun nga, nagawa mo pa makabalik tamang-tama sa Final Four, and ano yung masasabi mo na yun nga, may chance pa kayong makabalik sa Final?
For me talaga, number one na inisip ko lang si God lang talaga. Kasi sabi ko, siya lang ang makakatulong sa sitwasyon ko ngayon. So, ayun, syempre, gusto ko rin maging healthy until ma-reach namin yung finals. And yun nga, masaya ako dahil nakatulong ako sa team ngayon. Syempre, nababawasan din yung inaano kay Jacob. And at least kahit pa paano nakatulong ako sa team na yun, na-compose ko. And at least, yung turnover ko. Kahit tatlo yung turnover ko. Hindi ko alam ba't ako nandito. Pero yun, sobrang saya ko lang dahil yun nga, nakalaro ulit ako kasi ito yung talagang pinapangarap ko since nung bata ako. So ayun, hindi pa tapos. May game pa kami against sa Saturday. So yun, ready na ako.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is open for questions, guys.
Coach, obviously a lot of rough patches this season for the team, injuries, suspensions, but what has surprised you from the team in terms of their mindset and how they bounce back from these types of challenges?
Well, for us, it's really been hard to make it here. It wasn't given to us. We earned it, and earning it together. It's really big to lose Kian and Mason at the start of the season. But again, we're just fortunate. We're just blessed to have these players that are really willing to give up, their own agenda heading into the season just for, just to contribute. It's really hard to take care of all this talent and put it in one basket without the basket rotting. But again, these guys really were positive, led by positive leaders, and it's just a testament of how these guys really support and trust each other. And I'm just so fortunate to be under these players, learning also as well as we go through these challenging times, because what we've been through in the eliminations was really challenging, but they made it easier for me as a coach because they made me feel safe and knowing that they're gonna really fight it till the end. And again, we're just fortunate to be here and so blessed to be here.
Coach, strong start kanina, then also the team also showed composure to nakakabol yung NU. Now, at full strength, was this how you envisioned yung laro nyo kung hindi sana nagka-injury, nagka-setback?
Well, we reminded our players in the halftime that this is the #1 team. You know, they're the #1 team and they earned their spot to be #1. So we have so much respect for those players. They really are playing tremendous basketball together. So we just kept our composure. We know that they're gonna fight back. What we keep on reminding each and everyone was to really make sure that we're composed down the line, you know, because our turnovers will surely be points for them. So we tried as hard as we can to take care of that basketball, but I guess when they were making runs, these guys made some big baskets and also big stops down the line.
Coach, it was mentioned earlier that this team got through a lot of rough patches in the division, but at the season's most crucial stretch per se, how glad are you that you're now at full strength with Kian back, Mason full strength, and everyone just contributing for the Sandal?
Well, we have to give credit to our medical staff, you know, our strength and conditioning coaches, because they're really the ones who took care of our injured players, even our beaten down players up to now. So again, just so blessed and fortunate to have this group of guys that, you know, are really willing to support each other. But we keep on going back to those challenges. When we were having challenges earlier, we reminded everyone, remember those times that we were down and out? What worked for us? That's about us playing for each other. So it's just a constant reminder that, you know, balikan lang namin yung mga pinagdaanan namin in the season. Automatic na ma-realize nila that hindi namin pwedeng sayangin just because we are playing selfish basketball. So keep on reminding, even to myself, even the players were reminding me just to, you know, remember what worked for us in those challenging times.
Kian, para sa'yo naman, gano'n ka ka-happy na nakabalik ka ngayon sa do-or-die matchup na against Enyo na alam mo kung season, pangit ka, injured ka, pero at the season's most crucial time, gano'n ka-happy ka lang na ito nakabalik ka na sa court for the Sun?
Ayun nga, lagi ko na sinasabi na sobrang happy kasi yun nga, nakabalik ko syempre against sa court team. So yun nga, need ko lang din talaga mag-focus and para makatulong din talaga.
JC, pwede kong mag-share ka lang about yung mindset mo ng second half kasi doon din mga yung laro mo and especially yung dagger, mga clutch shots sa fourth quarter, ano na lang yung sumatak mo sa isip, contributing those shots.
Heading into this game naman, alam ko na yung teammates ko, marami kami parang they're good at offensively. So, try ko lang mag-focus sa mga lilit na bagay. Small things which is to defend. Yun nga, focus ako dun sa mga rebounds, yung mga hindi nakikita sa stats. And thankful lang ako na yung mga teammates ko, nilagay nila ako sa situation na gano'n, na mag-succeed ako, which is yung isang request ko from KJ. Parang if hindi niya ako na-set up, hindi ko naman ma-shoot yun eh. So I'm thankful lang and thankful din ako sa coaches for the opportunity and chance na binibigay nila sa akin. So,
Jacob, you've been one to thrive under pressure, particularly in the end game. Just what gets you going when the stakes are at their highest in the game? All the pressure, everything on the line. How do you just get going when it matters?
Back to what I said last game, it's just all about having fun. Me being the player I am, I love pressure. I love it when everything's on the line, especially the next game. That's what I love, and it's all about embracing that and not being scared of it. Really, I learned that at an early age because of my dad, you know. And then yeah, just enjoying having fun.
Ian, tataka ka nandito eh. Pero yun yan, first game back from injury. Were there any points na parang feeling mo di ka makakabal? Especially yung situation ng team na helpless ka watching them fighting for their lives to just make it to the final four. Can you just share us yung journey to make it here?
Yun nga, parang right after ng injury ako, ang fightings kasi parang diba ako makaperahan ako. And nagpa-second opinion ko ngayon, second MRI ko. And nawala na yung mag-ano. So nakita na parang MCL lang, therapy lang. So yun yung nagsasabi lang ako kay Coach Maki kung nangyayari. Sabi niya, maliwala ka lang. Then nung bumalik ako para mag-therapy, sabi ni Doc, parang medyo nagiging okay na. So sabi ko, why not na baka pwede pa ako, kaya pa ako makabalik. And sabi niya sa akin, balik ka, baka kaya. So nagpursige ako, nag-stay ulit ako sa Lasal. Kasi umuwi ako sa amin eh. So nag-stay ulit ako sa Lasal para yun, therapy, makasama sa kanila, practice na every day. practice namin. Yun nga, yun. Hopefully, mas maging maayos sa mga more games.
Coach, speaking of the situation here, how difficult is it that, of course, you want to go all out because of the situation that you're in, but you have to navigate with the sensitivity of his injury, of Mason's injury, and yun nga, baga, just trying to balance everything out with those dynamics.
Well, first we could have shortcutted the process because of the kumbaga pressure of us delivering, but we opted to do the right thing and to make sure that we're not gonna play any player that's not 100%. You know, if you're not 100%, that means you're not ready. You know, we don't want to compensate a young athlete's career just because we want to win games. And that's what the support of the management that we got, that we're always going to make sure that we're going to protect these valuable assets that we have and not putting them in harm's way. So by saying that, we were clear with these players that just focus on your recovery, and hopefully things will pan out. And malaking bagay sa amin yung bumagyo because na-delay ng 1 week, so it gave these guys enough time. And then malaking bagay sa amin yung CDC kasi na-move din ng 1 more week yung last game namin ng elimination to heading into this game. So I guess all the stars are aligning our way, but obviously game on Saturday will be harder. You know, this team will not just roll down, and we just have to make sure that we'll always be humbled by this experience, knowing that we still made a ton of mistakes, you know, in the things that we shouldn't have done. So we just want to learn, and you know, those moments of learning that we got from here, we're gonna make sure we're gonna bring it come Saturday's game.
So safe to say, Coach, no minutes restriction for Kian and Mason?
Again, depending on what the medical team tells me. I'm not, again, kung ano lang yung kaya, yun lang ibibigay namin. We're not gonna force it just because it's a do or die game. We're not gonna put Kian's career in harm's way. So we're just gonna make sure that yung minutes that he gets will be valuable to support Jacob, you know, as we go on through this final game on Saturday.
So do you think the momentum has shifted to the Green Archers with the win today, or is still a 50-50 ball game?
We just want to make sure that we're going to match their energy. We know that they've learned a lot from this game as well, and they're not just going to hand it over to us. We have to really make sure that, you know, we get it from them. So a lot of learnings, a lot of mistakes, yun nga yung sinasabi namin that we have control of, but it's really going to be a battle on Saturday. So we just have to be not only physically but also mentally and most importantly spiritually ready for this game.
Congratulations, Coach.
Thank you.